We hot, we on. We hot, we on.
I'm home alone. I'm home alone. Alone.
We hot,
I'm so gone,
we hot,
all alone.
we hot.
Someone save me before I go crazy. So much for another song about getting girls to show me they thong. I'm so hot, I should live on Mars. The way I spit these molten bars got y'all niggas on the edge of y'all seat, cause I lost my mind. You either love me or you hate me, just don't waste my fucking time. I know that I'm the man, pots and pans, 50 grand, but you won't pay for a ticket, that's $1, use a bum, kid. I'm taking off in my new spaceship, it's gonna be a long trip, and I ain't got no time for bitches. I'm home alone.
We hot, we on.
I'm home alone.
We hot, we on.
They ain't me, shout it ain't me. Nah, they ain't me, shout it ain't me. It's like I came up on my lonesome, until now I've been pretty wholesome. Play cards right like this, it's Texas, fucking hold 'em. Niggas be ridiculous, haters be conspicuous, trying to figure out a good way to get rid of us. You can't, I'm wired, got the heart of a tiger, a fighter so hot like fire. I'm sorry, to be honest, y'all need to retire. Excuse me a sec while I catch my breath. Computer love, yes, I treat her body like a technician on a mission. I'ma take you on a trip like you need a permission slip. Arizona, stand up or sit the fuck down. You know who the hottest is in the town. Macaulay Culkin, I'm home alone, sitting up on the throne, nigga. Yeah, we on.
I'm home alone.
We hot, we on.
I'm home alone.
We hot, we on. We hot, we hot, we hot, we hot, we hot, we hot.
I'm home alone. I'm home alone.
We hot, we on.
I'm home alone.
We hot, we on.